Bless the Lord. I future word. Tapos repeat powerful Lord sabi smooth prayer. Mag-iwan tayo na ako.
Alright.
Nabasahin ko ang first step pa. Sabi dito, for with God, nothing shall be impossible. Hindi sinabi na, for with God, nothing shall be impossible. Hindi sinabi na, for with God, complicated things shall be impossible. Okay, sinabi dito, nothing, wala, ay dahil naman kahirap yan. Hindi natin, back by 75. Sumasya ako doon for God. Pero what I did, I prayed and I prayed to God. Kaya perfect na siya. Ako ako. Here's our first point. My God, we are limited, but our God is the greatest God of all. Alam mo, ako sabihin sa inyo, marami ang limitations. Ako sa sarili ko, hindi ko kaya pa kayo natin 75. Ako sa sarili ko, hindi ko makakasama sa dati. Kasi sobrang tamad. Sobrang tamad ko talaga mag-aaral dati. Para sa akin, bakit wala lang sa school. Pero you know what? Hindi ako kasi sa performance ko. I was not happy about it. What I did, I prayed and I prayed every single night to God. Sinabi ko, Panginoon, pag-uwin mo ako. Pag-uwin niyo ako sa studies ko, spiritual life ko, everything. You know what? Ginagawa ko ngayon. Just this year, parang last year, naalala ko, pag sinabi ko, parang sasama ko sa dati. Every ko sige. You know what? This year, second quarter, third quarter, sana ako sa top 10. I was just thanking God kasi sinabi niya ako. I could have done nothing without Him. You know what? I don't never ako ngayon, at wala tayong magawa. We think that our God is limited. Akala natin may limitation sa Panginoon. But actually, wala. Wala limitation. God can do everything. Our God is the God that saves us from burning eternally in hell. At tingin nyo, yung Jesus na yung posible sa kanya? Hindi. Wala kang posible sa Panginoon. Minsan sinasabi natin, ay naku, tulungan niya ang Panginoon, pero ako hindi ko kaya. Bakit mo sinasabi na hindi mo kaya? Tulungan niya pa ang Panginoon, di ba? Kasi, for with God, nothing shall be impossible. Kahit ka naman nahirap yan, wala kang posible sa kanya. Here's our second point. Prayer is power. Sabi sa 1 Thessalonians 5:7, pray without ceasing. You know what? Ang kira nito, verse na to. Ang kira nito, bakit? It had so much effect on my life. Dahil yung mga grade 4, 5, 6 ako, sila ang prayer life ko. I do not pray every night. Kailangan ako titin na ako para mag-pray. You know, sobrang nagbago ako. Bumat na lang ako bigla ako nag-sense. Nakasama lang sa taxi and everything. I got some opportunities. Lots of opportunities. So, I'll give you one example of prayer. Ikaw talaga kung input. Pray until something happens. Never be praying until nothing happens to you. Never stop praying until God does something about it.
Amen.
Give you one example. Dahil sa school, may nakaway ako. Sabi ako sa school. Sobrang sama talaga nakakasabla. And then, talaga siya sa akin. Sabi niya, di na nakapapatawarin. I said to myself, friends, anong ginawa mo? Every single night, I was shouting to myself, Lawrence, anong ginawa mo? You know what? Ako, yung pinagsalita. Mag-uwala ko na, pinagsalita. You know what I did? Every single night I prayed, I shouted to God, Panginoon. Sana kung makatawag niya ako. You know what? May sorry ako sa kanya once. But di niya talaga yun. Kasi di niya ako nakausap. So what I did? Just keep on praying to God. Every single night, I pray to Him. Na sana patawarin na ako nakawin ko ang kaso na yun. You know what? Children sa akin, pinakawin na ako. You know what I felt? It was such a great joy. Lalo mo, pinakawin ka. Mag-pray na isang bagay at sila sa Panginoon. That's the joy of your prayers being answered. Pero, hindi kayo nag-pray, hindi nyo ba nakalasan ng joy na yan? You won't have any answered prayers if you do not pray. So I'm just trying to ginagawa ko yung mga pieces ko, hindi naman alam ko ano magiging dito. Hindi ko naman magiging final dito. Kaya I'm feeling God, I'm feeling Him. Kakala ko, first week in March 1977, hirap ako. You know? Talaga, tingnan ko kasi. It was my last piece for the work. I only had 3 days to finish it. Same work, it will give. I only had 3 days. You know what? Tanong-tanong sa mga class ko. But you know, ganun pa ako nag-ginawa pa sa 77. At sila halos about 5 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 3 weeks. And this is all I had. This is all I had. 3 days. 3 weeks along with 200 pieces. Seems impossible. Seems impossible talaga. At may attitude, tamad-tamad mag-aaral. Pero I prayed. I keep on praying to God. First time sa buong buhay ko na nasa ko. I stayed at meron na nasa school, nakagawa ng pieces ko. Talaga, tingin na. You know what? Ang bandang 9:30, this was my downfall. I lost my training. Wala ka naman ginawa. Pero ikaw masama. I said to myself, hindi ko na ito matatapos. Hindi ko na ito kaya. I lost my faith. That was the biggest mistake that I've ever done. I lost my faith in Him. You know what happened because I lost my faith? Hindi ako nakasama sa field trip. Hindi ako nakasama sa first time doon. Alam niyo, sisig-sisig ako. Sabi ko, kaya mo, start na ako sa palengke. No, that night, I said to myself, Lord, tulungan niyo ako. I have the faith again. I have the faith, oh Lord, na kaya ako first naman sa sabi ko. I was under pressure. I was under pure pressure that day. I was doing my math in 77, bandang hapon na yun. Nagulat ako sa score ko. Yung math, kahirap ako. Nakakala ko, hindi ko mapapasa. Nakakala ko, wala na ako pag-asa. Nakakala ko, papauna ako dito, mamamamit na ako. You know what I score? Perfect yung math ko. It was because of me. Hindi like, it was because of me. Hindi like kaya ako magpupit. It's not all about matalino ako. Hindi. Hindi tayo naman masipag ako. But it was because of God. I prayed to Him. No, number 1, recipe for success. Pray hard. Prayer. Faith. Sabi nga, sa pananaw ng tao kasi to see is to believe. Pero sa pananaw ng Diyos, to believe is to see. Because you can only see His blessings if you believe in Him. If you do not believe in Him, God will show you nothing. Nothing at all. You know, here's parang pinaka-last piece of sabi ko. Faith can move a mighty mountain. Sabi niya, faith can do everything. If you have faith in God, you can do everything. Nothing shall be impossible to you. Sabi nga, diba? For with God, nothing shall be impossible. Hindi sila for with God, bakit shall be impossible? Hindi sila for with God, baka sama sa building shall be impossible. Hindi sila nothing. Nothing shall be impossible. Wala ang posible na magtitiwala ka sa Panginoon. For talagang gusto ko mabuha sa mga utak ko. For with God, nothing shall be impossible. For with God, nothing, with nothing, I mean nothing, nothing at all shall be impossible. With God, it's great. God will provide